Good evening, traders. Welcome to the emisttrade.com recap video. It is Thursday, February 3rd, 2011, and another crazy day in the markets. Hope everybody had a profitable day. We'll talk about how crazy these things have been acting in front of this number that's coming out tomorrow. But today for us, got long in the NASDAQ on a breakout. That we went ahead and just scratched for a small $25 loss, and then went to the grains to see if wheat was going to be good to us, and we found a nice setup there, and of course there's no follow through there as well, so we scratched that for a little brokerage fees. And then in the afternoon we went ahead and gotten short the 1298.75 area, and we went ahead and took a full stop on that for a $200 loss. Another just sort of crazy day, unpredictable. Even though we had movement, let's get over to the charts and take a look at this. After the number, the ISM number that came out in the morning, we went ahead and took a 10-point dump on this market, and very seldom will a market go 10 points down, go 10 points back up, and then extend upon that 10 points. I'm not sure who's buying down there. I don't know if that's an oops trade. I'm not real sure about that. I don't think a lot of people are. This market is crazy, and right now totally unpredictable. And anybody who was caught short this morning had to scramble to get out of their positions. I myself was looking at the 1289.50 area as a target on the downside. So crazy times, especially in front of the number. Tomorrow we have unemployment, the non-farm payroll employment number is out tomorrow. There's a lot of swirl around regarding the number and how it's going to come in. Let me just put this warning out front here. If you are not an experienced trader, especially when it comes to the news and trading around the news, do not turn your computer on until after 8 o'clock Central Standard Time or 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and do your homework prior to the market open or the regular trading hours. It can get crazy, and tomorrow is stacking up to be a crazy volatile news event. So stay on the sidelines. Don't try to trade this if you have not traded it before, because it can turn on you quickly and it can take a lot of money out of your pocket. But with that being said, let's take a look at some of the levels where this could go for those of you who are going to be part of that. Now, we did come up today up to the upside here at 305.75, or excuse me, 1305.75. If this thing breaks, if it doesn't break overnight, and when news comes up this thing breaks, the 13.50 will definitely provide a little resistance, and then maybe up to the 13.18 area, depending on how strong or weak the number is. That move could go further or less on that. Then on the downside, again, I like the 1289.50 level, followed by the fib numbers down at 1284 and 1279. If we get really weak, which I'm not expecting, but we've seen crazier things, and the 65 is possible. Remember what I said the other day about the multiple lows on the weekly charts. That the big one is probably the 1257. If we start breaking that down with some volume, we're going to see some maybe a week or two to the downside there. But right now it's unpredictable. I think the close over the next few days in this market will determine the direction throughout February. Never a guarantee, but that typically is what we will see. So be watching for news tomorrow morning, guys. Stand on the sidelines if you're not experienced in that, and if you are just regular trading, then sit on the sidelines for 30 minutes in the morning, let the range establish, and then trade off the range. Otherwise, good luck tomorrow, and we will talk to you then. Take care.